Why is there still such a large gap in the number of men versus women in computer programming related fields? And why is the field represented as male-centric today? Well, according to NPR's Planet Money, this all started to shift around 1984. As home computers and video games entered the market, ad campaigns were run that represented these new innovations as toys and devices that should be targeted towards young boys. In fact, these ads focused almost exclusively on getting young boys interested in owning computers or working in that field.
An average American homemaker with their own Apple personal computer. Jill, do you use your Apple for household budgeting?
Actually, I'm working in Gold Futures.
Well, you could probably put a lot of recipes in there, huh?
Mm-hmm. And you can do trend analyses, generate bar graphs.
Are you really a homemaker?
Of course.
So Apple is the appliance of the 80s for all those pesky household chores.
I also own a small steel mill.
Let the Radio Shack TRS-80 put the world of color computing into your home. Instant loading program packs turn any color TV into an exciting game arcade. And there's more. The color computer is an educational aid, a home management tool, and up-to-the-minute electronic information service. The programmable, expandable TRS-80 color computer from $399 only at Radio Shack, the biggest name in little computer.
Announcing a fabulous sale on the Commodore Plus 4 personal computer, the first computer with 4 built-in software packages, the big 4 every computer owner needs. Built-in graphics and sound commands, 128 colors, 64K memory, 75 commands, word processing for letters, reports, create graphics, graphs, charts, full color designs, balance checkbooks, business statements, income tax, file management for mailing lists, inventories, recipes. Retailers originally sold the Commodore Plus 4 for $299.95. Now it's yours for only $99.95 complete.
Ad campaigns were run that represented these new innovations as toys and devices that should be targeted towards young boys.
It's absolutely
fantasy world.
Were there any women in early computing history? The short and resounding answer to that question is yes. Women were an integral part of computer science from its earliest inceptions. For example, mathematician Ada Lovelace is still considered the world's first computer programmer.
Ada Lovelace died almost 100 years before the first digital computer was built. The first computer programmer was a man named Red Zeus.
And computer industry ad campaigns ran sexist slogans that claimed that women were linked to human error and inefficiency.
No, that ad campaign is trying to link humans with human error and office equipment with productivity. It is correct. The office equipment does not stand around. The water cooler chit-chatting. Employee salaries are expensive compared to the price of office equipment. So yes, it is not sexist to say employees have waggly tongues and cost $40,000 a year.
CEO and founder of Girls Who Code, Reshma Saujani says, "I think for girls, you cannot be what you cannot see."
I'm here with an average American homemaker with their own Apple personal computer.
As you can see, Danielle Bainbridge is a big fat liar and propaganda artist. Literally a big fat liar.